Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I wanted to make a really quick update on GameStop. I currently do not have any positions. As you guys know, I had calls that expired last week. If I would have still had those calls if I just followed strategy and bought them a month out, but I'm actually not in this trade right now. But keep in mind, like I said in my previous video, GameStop has to cross 255. More than likely, it has to touch 256 in order for it to run closer to 288 resistance, and then after that there's a big gap at 290 in which I think it'll probably wick up there. If it actually has like a bullish candle close above 288, I think there's a really strong chance it'll go to 345. But as of right now, all momentum on GameStop looks like it can possibly break that 256 level today, which would be absolutely insane, because if it does break 255 and it ends up touching 256, there's a really strong chance that it's going to fill the 290 gap, which was created back here in June sometime on the way down. And this big gap from 300 to 220, right? It had a massive gap creation at 290. So the big number for today and this week is 255, and more than likely 256. You have to see GameStop touch 256 to have some sort of confirmation for more bullish momentum. And if you actually have candles close above 256, after that there's a really strong chance that you're headed straight to 288 to close that gap at 290. And then if you start closing candles above 288, then there's a stronger chance that you're going to 345. And I think that if you do start closing candles, bullish candles above 288, the next stop for GameStop is going to be 345 bucks. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.